For centuries, Antarctica was dismissed as nothing more than endless ice, a frozen wasteland untouched by time. But in early 2025, a NASA satellite operating under the project name Operation DeepSight detected something buried deep beneath the ice sheet. It wasn't a mountain, nor a natural formation. It was geometric, symmetrical, structured. At first, scientists thought it was a data glitch until the same readings appeared again, days later, in the exact same coordinates. Beneath 2 miles of solid ice lay what appeared to be a massive, rectangular grid, like the ruins of a city frozen in time. Within 48 hours, the data was classified. The public version of the report was deleted, and the research team was told to move on. But one scientist didn't. Her name was Dr. Elena Rourke, a geophysicist stationed at McMurdo Station, Antarctica. She had seen the readings before anyone could erase them. Metallic density where there should only be frozen water. Perfect 90-degree angles stretching for miles. She quietly cross-referenced the coordinates with seismic maps from the 1990s, and what she found terrified her. The patterns weren't new. They'd been there for decades, maybe centuries, hidden under classified mapping zones labeled simply as restricted ice layer. Elena reached out to a small independent team of Chilean researchers. They confirmed her findings: the shapes were too perfect to be natural. Streets. Domes. A possible central pyramid. But days later, her clearance was revoked. Her communications were cut off. She vanished from her lab before she could publish her results. Her disappearance was never officially investigated. Weeks after she went missing, a strange transmission appeared briefly on amateur radio frequencies near the South Pole. A man's trembling voice whispered through static, "We found it, but it's not empty." The signal ended abruptly. The source was never identified. Then came the leaks. Fragments of military files referencing a 1960s mission called Operation Argo Point. According to the documents, U.S. Navy personnel had discovered non-terrestrial artifacts buried under the polar ice. Officially, the mission never existed. But the logs described a metallic anomaly emitting low-frequency radiation, deep beneath the same coordinates Dr. Rourke had been studying. Government agencies denied everything. They called it internet fiction. Yet in the months that followed, new satellite scans revealed massive heat signatures beneath the ice, heat that could only come from energy sources still active. Amateur researchers began connecting dots. Was this the remains of an ancient civilization? The legendary Atlantis? Or something far older? One leaked video appeared on a dark web forum for less than 12 hours before being scrubbed. It showed a group of European scientists standing in a cavern of glacial blue light. Behind them, a massive archway of black stone, covered in unfamiliar symbols. The video ended with the camera tilting toward a shadow moving behind the ice. The next morning, the account that posted it was gone. Whispers spread that the entire continent had become off-limits to civilian exploration. Satellite imagery in that area suddenly blurred. When questioned, NASA claimed data corruption. Others said they were hiding something humanity wasn't ready to face.